Hello everyone! If you're facing Roblox Error Code 773, I've got a few methods to help you out, so let's dive in. For method 1, head to roblox.com. Then, click on the cogwheel in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the Privacy tab, ensure that account restrictions are disabled. That's the first step. And for method 2, navigate to the Security tab. Scroll down and you'll find an option to log out of all other sessions. Click on it and select Log Out. Just be sure you know your login credentials. Then, for method 3, if the issues persist, consider installing Roblox. Go to your computer's Add or Remove Programs. Then, search for Roblox and uninstall all instances. Then, reinstall it by clicking play on any games. And that's it. Give these methods a shot, and hopefully, one of them resolves your issue. So, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!